In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add checkboxes, radios, and dropdowns to a DocuSign template. Whether you're new to DocuSign or looking to refine your skills, this tutorial will guide you through the process with ease. Let's dive straight into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the Templates section within DocuSign. Here, you have the option to either create a brand new template or pick an existing one to which you'd like to add fields. If you're working with an existing template, simply look for the three dots icon next to your chosen template. Click on it and then select Edit. This will bring you to the Fields editor, the tool we'll be using to add and configure the necessary elements. Once you're in the Fields editor, you'll find yourself with the ability to start adding various fields. Let's begin with checkboxes. Checkboxes are incredibly versatile on your forms, allowing users to make multiple selections if needed. You can add as many checkboxes as your form requires. It's as easy as dragging them from the left panel directly onto your form. Once they're in place, you'll want to ensure they're aligned correctly for a clean and organized look. Next on our list are radios. These are similar to checkboxes, but with a key difference: they limit the user to selecting just one option from a given set. Radios are ideal for questions where only one response is appropriate. To add radio buttons, you'll again use the drag and drop method to position them precisely where you want them. When you drag over a radio group, it automatically comes with 2 buttons, but don't worry if you need more. Simply click the plus icon to add additional radio buttons. Align each radio individually to maintain a polished appearance. Finally, we have dropdowns. Drop-down menus provide users with a list of options to choose from, simplifying form completion by reducing clutter and allowing for a clear presentation of options. To add a drop-down, drag and drop it onto your form just like the previous fields. Once placed, select it, and you'll notice on the right panel a range of configurations, including where you can input the choices that the drop-down menu will offer. With all your fields in place, the process is almost complete. Ensure you review the layout to confirm everything looks as intended. When you're satisfied, simply click Save. Your newly created template is now ready to use, equipped with checkboxes, radios, and drop-downs, all tailored to your specific needs. And there you have it. With a few straightforward steps, you've enhanced your DocuSign template, making it more interactive and efficient for users. Thanks for following along, and I hope this was as smooth and informative as you expected. Happy form building!